astronautic man, you know that you're falling without a place to land.